Welcome students. So now we are starting with amazing topic, one of my favorite topics. Why this topic is favorite for me and why this topic should be favorite for you. If you don't understand this topic, I'm sorry, your geometry will be of nowhere in upcoming chapters, also in the entire 8th standard and in entire 9th and 10th standard. The very basics, you have to love this topic. Okay, you have to love this topic, I will say. Then only your maths will be improved and you will have interest in maths and you can score marks in maths. Okay, triangle and its properties, everyone. Okay, so let's start with this. Now, types of triangles, I will say, or triangles can be divided. Types of triangles, basically I will say, types of triangles. Types of triangles. Triangles basically broadly can be classified with two categories, all of you. Okay, with two categories. I'll say here, based on sides, based on sides, and here I'll say based on angles. Based on sides, based on angles. Okay, what I'll do is I'll bifurcate my page into two parts. Okay, types of triangles. Basically, triangles can be classified in two parts, in two types, based on sides and based on angles, all of you. Okay, great, amazing. So first we'll start with the sides, everyone. First we'll see about the sides. Okay, so here the first type, all of you, the first type, based on sides. If all three sides are unequal, if all three sides of a triangle are unequal, then the triangle is said to be, all of you, scalene triangle. S-C-A-L-E-N-E, scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Let me very quickly give you an example for this. Let us say I have any triangle ABC. ABC is my favorite name, so always I give this ABC only. ABC. This is given as 4 centimeter. This is given as 5 centimeter. This is given as 6 centimeter. All three sides are unequal. If all three sides are unequal, the triangle is said to be scalene triangle, everyone. Okay. Next one, please. I'll divide this. Okay. Next one, second one. If any two sides are equal, then students, you know, if in a triangle, if any two sides are equal, then the given triangle is called as isosceles triangle. Yes, isosceles triangle. Let me draw the diagram for you all. Let us say, as I always tell, my favorite triangle is ABC, so I will always say ABC only. It's given to me, this is 5 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. And they can mark this things like two arcs over here, 2 marks. That means these two sides are equal. So such a triangle in which any two sides are equal is called as isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, all of you. Okay, great, amazing. And the third one, all of you, the third one, if all three sides are equal, okay, great. If all three sides are equal, then the given triangle is called as equilateral triangle. Let me very quickly draw the diagram first, all of you. For you all, this is the diagram. Triangle ABC. It's given to me that this is 7 centimeter. If it's given to me, okay, this is 7 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter. Or they can mark like this 1 strokes on all the three sides. So all sides are equal. So we call this as equilateral triangle. Okay, so based on sides, if all three sides are unequal, everyone pay attention please. If all three sides are unequal, we say scalene triangle. Repeat with me. All three sides unequal, scalene triangle. If any two sides are equal, we call it as isosceles triangle. कोई भी two sides equal, we call it as isosceles triangle. And if all three sides are equal, we call it as what? Equilateral triangle. Okay. Now just for your knowledge, students, I'll add one more point over here. In isosceles triangle, okay, the angles which are opposite to equal sides are also equal. These two sides are equal. In our example, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. So angle opposite to this side and angle opposite to this side, this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay, not about this angle. Angles opposite to equal side, AC and AB are equal. So AC ka opposite is angle B, AB ka opposite is angle C. So I can say over here, okay, angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. Okay, I'll not write over here, but just for your knowledge, all of you. So in other words, we can also say okay, isosceles triangle is that triangle wherein any two angles are equal. That also we can say. Okay, now come here please, all of you come here. In equilateral triangle also, all three sides are equal and all three angles are also equal. And in equilateral triangle itself, we can definitely say the measures are 60, 60, 60. Sides can be anything. Sides can be any value. 7, 7, 7, 9, 9, 9, 100, 100, 100. But always in equilateral triangle only, all three angles are equal. And we know the sum of all three angles should be 180 degree. And all are equal. So it's always 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. Okay, this is the extra additional knowledge you should know. Okay, great, amazing students. So after completing this classification, I told you types of triangle. There will be two types of triangles based on sides and based on angles. So we completed all the things about what? About sides. Yes. Okay, now you don't write please. Now you don't write. Once let me complete with the angles and then you can start all of you. Okay, so let's start everyone based on the angles. Now starting with the angles part, the first one I'll say, if each angle is less than 90 degree, if each angle, we know in a triangle we have three sides and three angles, if each angle is less than 90 degree, you know what we call? Then we call the given triangle as acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. Okay. Let me very quickly give you one example, everyone. If I say I have any triangle whose this is 50 degree, okay, this I can say this is 60 degree, all of you, and this is 70 degree. 50, 60, 70, let's name as A, B, C. All the three angles, each angle is less than 90 degree. If each angle is less than 90 degree, then we say the given triangle is acute angle triangle. Once again, if each angle is less than 90 degree, we call it as what? Acute angle triangle. Okay. Now next one. Second one. If any one angle is greater than 90 degree. Okay, if any one angle is greater than 90 degree, we call that triangle as OBTUSE, obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. कोई भी एक angle, if it is greater than 90 degree, then we call it as obtuse angled triangle. Okay, let me draw a diagram. Okay, let this be the triangle ABC. If I say angle B is 110 degree, please. Okay, if I say this angle A is 30 degree, and of course we know summation of all the angles is 180 degree. Okay, and this is 40 degree. This angle C is 40 degree. Basically, I just want to highlight any one angle here. Angle B is greater than 90. if कोई भी एक angle out of 3 angles, if any one angle is greater than 90, we say that complete triangle is what? We say the complete triangle is obtuse angled triangle. If all the angles are less than 90 degree, we call that triangle as acute angle triangle. If any one angle is greater than 90 degree, we call that triangle as what? Obtuse angle triangle. You all should remember the small things. Okay, and last one, please, last but not the least, my favorite one, all of you, my favorite one. Okay, now if I say, if one angle of the triangle, if one angle of the triangle is 90 degree, is okay. So here it was, let me highlight the keywords, please. Here it was less than 90, all angles less than 90, acute angle triangle. Any one angle greater than 90 degree, obtuse angle triangle. And here I will say, if any one angle of the triangle is 90 degree, that means it's equal to 90 degree. Okay, equal to 90 degree. So we say the given triangle as what? If one angle of the triangle is 90 degree, we say the given triangle is what? It's a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. And you know the diagrams are pretty simple for right angled triangles, everyone. They are pretty simple. My favorite, ABC, it's 90 degree over here. This can be 30 degree, this can be 60 degree or anything. If one angle is 90 degree, we call it as a right angle triangle. So see, this is the classification, very important. I know you don't have so much broad pages, so what you can do, you can write this on one side, you don't bifurcate your page, and write this on the other page. Based on sides, all 3 sides unequal, scalene triangle. Any 2 sides equal, isosceles triangle. All 3 sides equal, equilateral triangle. If each angle or all angles, I will say, less than 90 degree, acute angled triangle based on angles. If any one angle is greater than 90, obtuse angled triangle. If one angle of the triangle is 90 degree, exactly equal to 90 degree, we say it as a right angle triangle. Pause the video, please. It's very important. Do write it and learn it. Then only you resume with the video. Okay, all of you. Now please pay attention, all of you. The first question. Name the type of triangle in each of the following based on the length of the sides. So we need to classify the type of the triangle based on the sides. Okay. See, of course, it's not a verbal question. This can be asked in your exam and you have to write it properly in full sentence. Mark my words. Okay, first one, A1. 7 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter. The 3 sides are 7, 5 and 7. Can I say 2 sides are equal? So if 2 sides of a triangle are equal, we call that triangle as isosceles triangle. So what you will say in the answer, what you will write in the answer? Here, the 2 sides of the triangle are equal and it's 7 centimeter. So the given triangle is an isosceles triangle. This should be the things. This all statements should be there in the answer. Okay, B1. 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Can I say all sides are equal? So the given triangle will be an equilateral triangle. So what you will write in this answer? As all sides are equal, which is 8 centimeter, which is equal to 8 centimeter. So the given triangle is an equilateral triangle. Okay, C1. 14, 11 and 6. All sides are unequal. So what you will write in the answer? You will write as all sides are unequal, the given triangle is an scalene triangle. Okay. D1. 5, 8, 12. Same. As all sides are unequal, the given triangle is an scalene triangle. These statements you have to write. You just don't have to write isosceles, scalene, equilateral. Everything you have to mention in detail with reasoning. All of you. Okay. Next, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5.7 centimeter. You will say here because 2 sides are equal, which is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, the given triangle is an isosceles triangle. 17, 12, 8. Here all the 3 sides are unequal. Therefore, given triangle is an scalene triangle. 4 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter. Same reason. As all sides are unequal, the given triangle is a scalene triangle. 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So as the 2 sides of the given triangle are equal, which is equal to 3 centimeter, the given triangle is an isosceles triangle. Do pause the video, please, right now and you have to write the steps and the reasons, everything in detail for each and every question, please. Pause the video, please. Okay, question number 2 now. Name the type of triangle in each of the following based on the angle. Here it was based on the sides, now it's based on the angles, all of you. Hope you all have revised my note very well. Now see here, 60 degree, 100 degree, 20 degree. Okay, before starting this, see here with the angles, what we did with the angles. Everyone pay attention over here. If all the angles are less than 90, acute angle triangle. Any one angle greater than 90, obtuse angle triangle. If one of the angle is 90 degree, we call it as right angle triangle. Okay, now pay attention everyone over here. All eyes over here in the textbook, please. See here, please. Name the type of triangle in which the following based on the angle. First, 60, 100 and 20. Can I say this 100 is 100 degree? It can be any triangle. Let us say ABC. Okay, so any one angle is 100. So it's greater than 90 degree. So this is what? Obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so what you will write in the answer, you will say here in the given triangle, 100 degree is the angle 100 degree is greater than 90 degree. So the given triangle is an obtuse angled triangle. B1. 70, 30, 80. Is any angle greater than 90? No, all the angles are less than 90. Less than 90, less than 90, less than 90. So you will write in the answer as all the angles are less than 90 degree. So the given triangle is an acute angled triangle. C1. 95, 45, 40. Is any angle greater than 90? Yes, 95 is greater than 90 degree. You will say the angle 95 degree is greater than 90 degree. So the given triangle is an obtuse angled triangle. The reasons are important. Don't just write the name of the triangle. 90, 50, 40. Here the angle is exactly equal to 90 degree. You will say in the given triangle, one angle is equal to 90 degree. So the given triangle is an right angled triangle. What? Right angled triangle. Yes. Okay, next one. 90, 45, 45. Same one. Here one of the angle is 90 degree. So the given triangle is an right angled triangle. Oh, clearly we can see the one of the angle is greater than 90 degree. It's 120 degree. So you'll say here one of the angle is 120 degree, which is greater than 90 degree. So the given triangle is an obtuse angled triangle. Okay, the G1. All of you. Clearly, same thing. The one of the angle is 130 degree, which is greater than 90 degree. So the given triangle is an obtuse angled triangle. Okay, here. Oh, great. It's so simple. My favorite one. 90, 20, 70. It's 90 degree. Here one of the angle is 90 degree. So the given triangle is what? It's an right angle triangle. Okay, question number 3. I'll slightly modify the question. Okay, name each of the triangle based on the sides and angles. We'll just look on sides, not about the angles, please. Okay, hope you all understood the modification. Name each of the triangle based on the sides only, not the angles. Okay, because angles are not given, so it creates confusion if you just see the figure. We'll just go with the sides. Okay, so it's 3, 5, 4. All the 3 sides are different. So it's which triangle? Scalene triangle. But we can very well see here it's a 90 degree over here. So that's the reason I will say it's a right angled scalene triangle. Okay, so when right angle is clearly visible, you have to say it's compulsory. Right angled scalene triangle. 3, 9, 8. All 3 sides are different. Scalene triangle. 2, 4, 5. All 3 sides are different. Scalene triangle. 5, 7, 5. 2 sides are equal. If any 2 sides are equal, the given triangle is an isosceles triangle. So you'll have to say the reasoning as 2 sides are equal. The given triangle is an isosceles triangle. 8, 8, 3. Here the 2 sides are equal with 8 centimeters. The given triangle is an isosceles triangle. Here the 2 sides are equal. 7, 7. So given triangle is an isosceles triangle.